So I have to do this unboxing. This is from Sassy Wax Melts. First of all, I want to say that her packaging is super cute. There's a picture on the bottom right-hand corner that shows how she wraps the actual USPS box in other wrapping so that it just looks cute when it arrives. It looks really festive. Anyway, so this is a replacement shipment for another shipment that I got in last week, I believe, that everything came in like this. The package it actually looked literally like it had been through a steamroller. And this is just one of the items. A lot of them, the bags were even burst open from the pressure that was applied. The box was I'll post a picture down at the bottom so you can see. Anyway, so this is that replacement order. So this is the card she included. And I'm so sorry this all happened to you. Aw. I hope this one gets to you intact. Thank you so much for your order and support. I really appreciate her because the moment she saw the images of what I actually received, actually she was kind of livid at the post office. And I just wanted her to see what they had done, but she was like, let me immediately, before I even opened the package, I sent her a picture of what the package looked like. She's like, let me send you a replacement out immediately. And I'm like, no, let's see if anything is salvageable inside the box first, before you do that. But really, there was nothing in there that was salvageable. So everything was super smashed. All right, so let's see what's inside. Oh, look, the candy this time isn't smashed. Everything, including the candy that she had included, was smashed. As a matter of fact, she had included, I think there were some caramel-filled chocolates, and the envelope for the usual note that she puts in there. Oh, I didn't get her card out. It was completely, messed up with chocolate and caramel even. I think it was one of these. Maybe this one has caramel in it. Oh, that's a peanut butter one. I don't know. But there was caramel and chocolate all over that envelope. Thank you for the candy. This is her card. So pretty. So feminine. And that's her website at Etsy. She also has a Gmail if you want to send her an email. And she's on Instagram as Sassy Wax Melts. So let's see. Everything looks good. First we have Eat Your Heart Out, triple berry, vanilla custard, toasted marshmallow. By the way, I'm just going to be honest and say I don't know what's a sample and what's not because it's been a while since I ordered it. I guess I should have, but I'm assuming these smaller ones are samples. I don't even remember what I ordered, to tell you the truth. Killing Me Softly. Oh, fresh cut rose, baby powder pink sands. Sounds really good. Adorable. I guess I did order this one, I think. Green apple, grape, and bubble gum. Here we have Seize the Day. How cute is that? Bermuda Triangle, pink sands, pineapple, mango. Adorable. I think I remember seeing these in my package smashed up. I didn't know what they were. I just remember the color. Killing Me Softly, fresh cut rose, baby powder, pink sands. Didn't I just say Killing Me Softly? Yes, this must have been a little sample of that. It's so cute though. Look at it. Adorable. Cute. This is Sanity, triple berry, sugar plum, and sugar milk. Fit for a Princess, Snow Fairy dupe, pink chiffon, pomegranate. Some more little unicorns. I'll have to take them out and smell them and maybe mix a couple of those together. Little hearts, and this is Invigorate. Oh, that sounds like, my son once opened up a clementine in my car, and had been a harsh winter that year, and it was like early spring. It was still cold outside, but he had been tired of the winter. So he opens up that fresh clementine in my car, and he says, that scent makes me feel better about my whole entire existence. And I think that that's what this is going to smell like, nice and vibrant. And then we have, oh, this looks like a little toucan. And it is scented in cotton candy, blue sugar. It's called Keep Your Cool. To order some bigger ones. Yes. So this one came in, I couldn't even tell what was on the top. It was smashed. The cylinder wasn't so smashed though. I think this was the only one that came in that I could at least identify on my last shipment. Strawberry lemonade smoothie, fresh picked strawberries, country lemonade, vanilla custard. I might have to melt this one today only because it's so freaking cute. What else do we have? Oh, yes, I remember ordering this one, and what I got was so unrecognizable that I was like, what the heck was this? I do remember the colors, and now I know. Now it's hitting me what those things were supposed to look like. This one is Fast Pitch, Bourbonwood, Vermont, honey apple maple sugar. Look at him. He's so cute. Cow. Move it over a little bit. Okay, so this, you see how cute this thing is? Sort of shaped like a little heart. You see that? You see that? That is this. The only reason I could identify this was because I saw like that, you know, the unicorn horn there. But no clue what it was other than that. And I was like, I think that's the unicorn, question mark? But it was. How they turned something this cute into that, literally it feels to me like a steamroller. Like, I hope she's getting her money back because she even paid the shipping because I had ordered $35 worth of products. And so on Etsy, a lot of companies offer free shipping if you order a minimum of $35. How pretty is this? I cannot believe it turned into that. All right. And then I think this is the last one. Let's see. Make sure I don't miss any samples at the bottom. This one was also like unrecognizable, but I remembered the two colors, and so I knew what this one was when I got it in. Sexy Bee, cotton candy frosting, 1,000 wishes dupe, and pink chiffon. And I'm gonna have to wait for these to completely cure. Oh, there are more. Before I use them, because they look like, oh yes, 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 for sure, because I had one of these in a big clump, and I could identify it by the color again, but it didn't look anywhere like this. Anything, it was just completely smushed. The bag was torn open at the bottom and it was pouring out. This is Enchanted Elderflower Spritz Wonderberry. Are you serious? Okay, so this one came in such shards, such little tiny shards that I'm telling you, it looked like it may have been a bag like this. So I am positive that most of this product was lost when they smashed the box, because literally I had like 3 shards of this and it looked like wax brittle. And I can again identify it by the vibrant colors on this one. This is vanilla pineapple margarita, and I could tell you because I smelled the shards, this smells amazing. What's this next one? This is really pretty. This is Seize the Day, Bermuda Triangle, Pink Sands, Pineapple Mango, and look at the layers on there of color. Beauteous. And then this is definitely the last piece that I have here. Really super cute. This was another one of there were 2 that I could identify. Of course, I mentioned this one because the cylinder was mostly intact, but the whole top was smashed. And then there was this one. It was still smashed. Everything was smashed and looking matted, but I could still make out the design, and it was still in a square that was like crumbled in the middle. So this is a Baja Cactus Blossom, and I will tell you, I used that crumble, and it smelled freaking awesome walking through my house. Another one with the tricolor layers. And it did smell awesome. I think I have a piece of it left. But look, it's even got something right there. What does that say? Sunny Day. Oh, so cute. Her wax melts are just so adorable. So I'm going to come back and show you all of them in one moment. All right, so this is my haul in its entirety. First, let me say that I appreciate when people pad stuff with these because I own an art company and we use that in our art projects with our children. So I do recycle anytime I get this tissue paper that is in great condition. Sometimes it arrives in not great condition or they scrunch it up, but when they layer it like that, thank you, because I get to use it again in my art company. All right, so what did we have here? We had the strawberry lemonade smoothie. Adorable with little strawberry sticking out of the lemonade. We have Baja Cactus Blossom. Seize the Day. This is, I believe, the samples of Seize the Day. So cute. This is the bright, vibrant, and beautiful, vanilla pineapple margarita. Gorgeous. I really cannot believe that this is what I received in the other package. I just can't get over it because it really was so sharded up. This gorgeous, and has sort of like an iridescent shimmer on it, Enchanted. Let's see, we have here green apple grape bubblegum. This adorable little cow that I got specifically just for the shape because food scents are not, let me just say, bakery / breakfast scents are not my favorite. And so I knew this was going to be one that I probably wasn't going to love the scent of. But it was just too cute not to do a melt video with. Next we have the Sanity. We have these little unicorn shapes, and they are killing me softly. We had these other unicorn shapes, Fit for a Princess. We have this gorgeous flower here, Sexy Bee. This little, looks like a toucan, I think. Pretty sure it is. Can't tell. This is Keep Your Cool. We had this gorgeous unicorn in the shape of a heart, sort of like a tart fruit blast. Adorable little bugs. Eat Your Heart Out. And then finally, we have, I'm sorry, that's not true. I have one more. We also have this Invigorate. And then finally, we have this gorgeous little unicorn. He is so freaking cute. I can't even get the package together here. Look at him. Killing me softly. All right, guys, that's it for this replacement shipment of Sassy Wax Melts. Cheryl, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so understanding and getting out this replacement shipment to me as promptly as you did, even though you did nothing to cause the damage. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it for Sassy Wax Melts. Talk to you guys on the next one.